Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle in the additional. It's not the additional of the weekend edition. The weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, June the 29th, 2024. It's today actually Sunday, June the 30th, 2024. No, because in the weekend edition we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. Thursday edition, June the 27th. Friday we have also no additional. And I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. So it's now time for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku. This one will be number 8818. 818. 8818 here. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 18 printed digits should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 18, double those and numbers, and it's a 1-star indicated. Yeah, could be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 1 star. For 1-star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Okay, the question is this a 1-star or a 0-star puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, my next strategy is... no. Next question is, do we have here triple boxes? Let me scan for triple boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes. How about quadra boxes now? Well, we have a quadra box here and here a quadra box in the L shape. And when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box is always a 5 of the L shape. This is the inside box of the L shape. Always a 5. And this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L shape. Quadra box should be here, so 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay, here, another quadra box. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. Oh, no. We have another L shape. Quadra box, L shape. Quadra box in the L shape. Inside box is always a 5. And these 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra L shape should be there. So two numbers left, the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Okay. More quadra boxes? No. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the Z construction. Let me draw the Z construction here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 3. We have a 1 here, so this can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3, and that box will be a 1, and this box is connected with that box should be also a 3. Do we have more Z construction here? Another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The next shape It's this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Here another one, but mirrored. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. So 1 box left in this duo box for number 1. Okay. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes, surround one can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this Z construction supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, these 2 boxes can be 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 3 should be here, because if I place the 3 here, then this box is connected with that box. So we show 3, but we already have a 3 here. So not the solution to place the 3 there. The only place level 3 is supposed to be here. Alright. Then, let me see. Yeah. Let me see. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. Well. Let me think. 4, 5. These 2 boxes can be a 3. These 3 boxes can be a 3. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can be 2. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4 is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Okay. Then. Let me think. Yeah. Let me think. This box. Wait. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We already have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also a 5. These 2 boxes surround a 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. Now the difficult part. 1, 2, 4, 3, or 5. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 4. So 2 numbers left, 3 or a 5. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 4. So 2 numbers left, a 3 and a 5. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 4 and the 2. Is connected with that box 4 and a 2, but we already have a 2 here, so it can be 2 anymore. This box is a 4, is connected with that box, so we also 4. And I've eliminated here the 4, so this box should be a 2. I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this Z constructions for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 30 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars puzzle. We solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.